How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Was outside, but mosquitoes were tearing me up, and mail came. I checked the mail, and the other day I was talking about I had just got a knife, this Spyderco. I'm not sure the name of it because it didn't have a box, but I love it. The guy gave it to me for my birthday. Well, I'm in this group on Facebook. It's called EDC Brotherhood, and it truly is a brotherhood because someone sent me another gift, and I was expecting like a hand-carved wooden knife from my daughter, and I got this instead. So I thought, okay, well, maybe the knife was in this box. I mean, it's a plastic box, so I figured, okay, the knife's in there. I'm gonna tilt the camera down so you can see down here. Okay, so I open it up. And this is what's inside of it. Oh, and this little dog tag. I've wanted an OTF knife or out the front knife forever, and she gave this to me for nothing. I mean, I was almost ready to cry. Comes with a warranty. The warranty card's, I think, under here. But, man, this thing is so nice. It's heavy. Now, it's not the sharpest, but I'm sure anyone that has even a little bit of skills can make this thing super sharp. But so it came with this. It came with this cool little pouch. You can put your belt through. It's got a decent buckle on it. It's got their logo on it. It's made by CobraTecknives.com, and it's just beautiful. It's got a glass breaker on this side. I think it's got like that tungsten or carbide or whatever it is, the tip. I'm sure you can get a lanyard through that, or not a lanyard, like 550 cord. It's got a really big pocket clip with really good retention. There's no safety on it, but I mean the button it's really tough. And it's beautiful. The case is actually, I believe it'll be watertight because there's actually a rubber seal or O-ring inside of it. So if you need the case for something else, you know, that would, I'm sure you could. But yeah, it's so awesome, and yeah, I wasn't expecting it at all. And I mean, definitely check it out. It's a Facebook group called EDC Brotherhood. And thank you so much. I don't know if she wants me to say her name or not, but thank you, truly. And I'll show you what I was supposed to get. This is all I was supposed to get, was this. Which is still a big deal because, you know, my daughter's gonna love it. And then she added this. Oh, and there's also, I don't think I have it with me down here, but she made me a purple paracord lanyard. My favorite color is purple, my wife's is green, and my daughter, she's almost 2, she knows she can say both of those colors and she likes them both, so she made it green for my daughter, and it's so awesome. Thank you so much, and thank you everybody for watching. If you want to check the knife company out, I don't know how to put links in the description, but what I can do is give you their website, I guess, which is CobraTecknives.com. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. What's cool about this, like, I checked their website out, and they sell interchangeable blades. You can get, I guess it's regular 440 steel, like the double edge, how this one is, or you can get the single edge, a drop point, a tanto for like 35 bucks. And then if you want to upgrade it from that, you can get the same tips in D2, which is like $45. And then I think they even have like a gold accent color or tone. But yeah, definitely check them out. Thanks guys. And it feels, this is my first ever OTF, and I mean it's heavy. Like it's not something, you know, that you're gonna carry around every day, but it feels well made. It doesn't feel cheap. I mean, there's no play in that button at all until you're ready to get it to come out. And the same thing with putting it back. There's just no play. So, thank you.